There's something about French women and the way they do makeup. It never looks like they tried too hard. It never looks heavy, never looks done, and yet they always look polished. And today I'm creating this very easy makeup look, French inspired look, just by using three products, mainly the Double Wear Estee Lauder foundation. It's a relaunch, it's a reformulated version, giving it a good shake. I got this beautiful blue sponge with it, and this is how the packaging looks. I bought a smaller size tube. It's a 15 ml bottle because I was not sure whether I would like it, because I have seen a lot of reviews, people saying it's full matte, full coverage, and it kind of scared me because I have mature dry skin. I have seen a lot of people, who actually work for Estee Lauder, makeup artists working for Estee Lauder doing this trick. They take they take one dot of the foundation and stretch it all over their face. You don't need to pour the foundation out of the bottle to get a full coverage. This is a foundation that stretches a lot. You can, stretch that one dot of foundation to a whole lot of area coverage on your face. And that's what I'm doing. I'm using my fingers, keeping it very easy to do. And I have seen that people recommend using the sponge with this foundation for a more fuller coverage. And I do agree with that. You can see how sheer the coverage is. It's looking so natural. It is absolutely beautiful finish in my opinion. Look at my face. The pimple marks are there. Everything is looking natural. It has a nice radiant glow to it, and I'm just layering on a little bit more. And this time I thought of blending it with the sponge, and it's a dry sponge, guys. This is not a wet sponge. And instantly I can see that it is giving me way more coverage. The coverage is a lot more fuller, and it gives a very nice radiance to the skin, is what I'm noticing. It's not at all dry, guys, but make sure that you need to prep your skin very well. Skin prep is so important with these kind of full coverage foundations, be it Charlotte Tilbury, be it NARS, be it Double Wear. You need to prep your skin very, very nicely according to your skin type. If you have oily skin, make sure that you use mattifying products, you use mattifying primers. If you have very dry skin, use moisturizing, hydrating primers, hydrating moisturizers. Today, I didn't start with a primer. I just did a basic skincare routine that I do all the time using my Charlotte Tilbury Crystal Elixir Serum, the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream, and the Bioderma 50 PA double plus sunscreen. And that is my normal way of prepping my skin for an everyday basis before I put any kind of makeup on my face. All right. And I see this is working pretty well underneath this foundation. You can see that glow from within. It is, my skin is looking like skin. It doesn't look like I'm wearing any foundation. I do have fine lines, but it is not exaggerating any of them. It is not exaggerating any dry patches. And I am really loving the finish, guys. It has even toned my skin very naturally, and the color is such a good match. I'm just quickly lining my lips because I can't do without lining my lips. I'm just using the Charlotte Tilbury lip cheat in the color Pillow Talk 2. But this is not a necessary step for this look that I'm going to create. You can skip this step if you are not a liner person. You can absolutely go in, skip to the next step, which I am very excited about. And this is what I am trying with you guys. This is Chanel's new lip and cheek tint. It's not exactly new, it's been a year, but it's new to me. And this is the color, guys. It's in the color Red Camelia. And my feed is flooded with this product because on Margot Robin, for Withering Heights, the makeup artist used this specific blush on her, and it has gone viral for all the good reasons, I would say. So I couldn't keep my hands off and I had to try it, and I am loving it, guys. It has a very sticky consistency. So if you are not open to sticky products, if you are oily, you will not like this, let me tell you. But if you have mature skin, if you have dry skin, you can do anything to get that glow on your face, to get that radiance, to get that shiny mirror glaze. This is something that you would absolutely love. The texture is very similar to the Pixie blushes, especially the color Ruby. It reminds me of the color Ruby by Pixie, the brand Pixie. And it spreads so beautifully, guys. Look at the radiance. I'm taking the same, just dabbing it on the center of my lips. I'm not going for a full coverage. I'm going for the la bouche mordue effect, which is kind of a bitten look in French. And it is such a beautiful, it's so beautiful. It is very romantic kind of a look, and I am absolutely in for it. This is a look that anyone can do. You can just keep changing the shades that you pick on a daily basis. One day you can pick up peach, one day can be pink, one day can be a neutral mauve, red. It's all up to you, but the base, the foundation of the look is this. Okay, stick to one color, a good skin base, a good foundation to give you a lot of radiance, a lot of skin like texture on your face. And finally, finishing with a mascara. This is a three-step routine that you can do to make your everyday look more polished, more elegant, more lively. And this is just going to take you under 10 minutes, guys. And I am loving this. Is so natural, so polished, so elite kind of a look. Let me know what you think about this, and please comment below if you love this effortless luxury makeup look. Let me know in the comment section. Follow for more such videos on my channel. Subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching me on YouTube. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next one.